I'm looking for more opportunities to share because this is the picture of my life.
Well, it's so interesting too, because we had a company come to us wanting to have a conversation about energy drinks in South America, right?
Yeah.
And it's so interesting because in Mexico, orange flavor is really popular. They have those orange sodas and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Where you get into Brazil, some of the other areas, Argentina, it's different. So, that's, I think, as far as when we look at populations and the different various populations and then use cases in those, that's where we shine.
There's a lot of power. And the benefit here is that when you have diversity in your data sourcing, you have a diversity and robustness in your AI algorithm. Your model becomes that much stronger because you get a larger array of all these new novel inputs that you couldn't find anywhere else. A lot of the data sets that are already available online, say on companies like Hugging Face, if humanity would take all of our effort and resources and create some focus, we would probably jump by leaps and bounds. But there's so much self-interest and there's so many people and businesses trying to fill the gaps from the mistakes and fuck-ups they had before, that they're creating all these other products and these markets are created for it.
That's simple.
It's really not that difficult. It's really not that difficult. Find simplicity in what you're doing. Realize it's not that hard and get ahead of your competition. At the end of the day, it all boils down to doing one thing, and that's the right thing at the same time.
It's almost that. I mean, well, we've talked about it, Tartle eventually becoming a source of income for people all across the globe.
Well, it's quickly rising to that.
Yeah.
Very fast.
So, I mean, from a philosophical standpoint, that is doing good.
And why wouldn't you want to do that? Wouldn't you want to say as a company, we will tell you how many lives you have impacted by sourcing data through us?
Yeah.
Don't you want that? Don't you want that on a report? Don't you want to send that to your investors?
100%.
Don't you want to tell the public we're doing the right thing? Do the right thing when everyone else is doing the wrong thing.
But evolving and adapting is how you scale. Evolving and adapting is how you grow. Why wouldn't you? Ethically, it makes sense.
Take the time.
Economically, it makes sense.
Yeah.
It's making your models faster. Show me the loss here.
That's right.
Show me explain to me a loss for using Tartle data.
I literally can't.
That's what I'm saying. It's like, it's a win-win for everyone.
I smoke my own dope. I literally sell my own data through Tartle.
Yeah, exactly. You're a data dealer instead of
Go find a bunch of other people out there that are running their entities or like creating products and be like, do you use this? Do you use this thing that you made? No, probably not.
Yeah.
It's
well,